Hey folks, this is Watson, and today we get the chance to check out Bright Smile Veneers, America's best and premium affordable veneers. Let's see if they live up to the hype. And spoiler alert, yes they do. So first, I chose my veneers, easy enough. Then I got a package in the mail where I had to customize the molds and take a few pictures. I was a little nervous about the process, but it was actually very simple. Just follow the steps. You even get an extra set of molding compound just in case you make a mistake. So while I show you some of me making my molds, let me tell you about veneers. What are veneers? Dental veneers are thin, tooth-colored shells that are attached to the front surface of the teeth to improve their appearance. They're often made from porcelain or resin composite materials and are permanently bonded to your teeth in some cases. These particular veneers are snap-on veneers, so they're very easy to deal with. You just pop them in and pop them out. Veneers can be used to treat a different number of cosmetic concerns, including chipped, broken, discolored, or smaller than average teeth, or you can help shore up your gum line. Some people may only get one veneer in the case of a broken or chipped tooth, but many get between 6 to 8 veneers in order to create an even, symmetrical smile. The top front 8 teeth are the most commonly applied veneers. The most popular question about veneers is, do they damage your teeth? Well, let's turn it over to Burke Burnett Family Dentistry for the answer. Here's what they said. Simply put, the answer is no. Veneers don't ruin your teeth. Easy enough. So, when I was done making the molds, I packed them in the box for shipping and filled out a little questionnaire which lets you choose the degree of whitening and whether you would like a little tooth straightening added in. And I chose bright white. So let's take a look at a few examples from the Bright Smile Hall of Fame, and then we'll take a look at mine. Alright, now let's look at the before and after of my veneers. Incredible. They actually feel like my natural teeth, just more white, bright, and well, perfect. Just follow the simple care instructions and they should last a long time. Order yours today. I'll put a link in the description below. They are fantastic.